you guys, welcome back to the channel. I've had a very chaotic day. My room looks a disaster, but guess what? Okay, it doesn't look like it, but I organized my closet today. It looks really good. Let me put you guys on the freaking tripod for 2.5 seconds. I just filmed a luxury unboxing and I'm really excited. I'm trying to bring my energy down to like a 5 because in the video I was on a 10, and I just don't spend my money really on luxury goods anymore because I just don't see the value in them. But anyway, I talk about that in that video, but I decided to treat myself for surviving 2020. So go watch that video if you're interested. I'm about to change my outfit because I want to shoot a cute pic with my new purse. And then I'm gonna pack up my stuff because I guess it's gonna be like a fit vlog today. My brother and I are gonna work out together. I'm going to his gym today and it's a Planet Fitness. I've never been to a Planet Fitness, but they have a lot of different equipment that I don't have here at my gym. So I want to do like a really good leg day. So I kind of want to take you guys with me. I don't know if I can film in there. I know it's like their brand is no judgment zone. So does that mean like no taking pictures, no vlogging? I don't know. I guess we'll see when we get there. So speaking of, I clearly have a shopping problem, mostly because I didn't really bring a lot of things with me, so I'm having to like buy and start fresh, which is what I wanted to do anyway. I did order a ton of stuff for Misguided, which I hung up in my wardrobe this morning, so if I have the energy to film a proper try-on haul, maybe I'll do that. If not, catch me in the outfits on Instagram in a city that I'm going to very soon. I had to buy clothes to wear for my trip, I'm sorry, because I didn't pack any cute clothes. So that's another day for another vlog. But your girl's obsessed with Alphalete, not sponsored, wish it was. And I ordered another set of items that are not shipped out yet, so hopefully I'll get them by the end of this week. But I want to put on an outfit that's in here. It's so hot outside. I just took all the dogs out. It's humid too, so ideally it'd be great to wear shorts, but I don't want to wear shorts, so we're gonna have to settle for something else. But I'm gonna get into this package before I go ahead and shoot my Instagram photo and change out of this freaking long sleeve because it's not working for me. But I think I'm gonna put this cute top on and just rock it with like these sweatpants. Very casual outfit in the house. Where is she going? We don't know. Kayla did her makeup today. Maybe that's why I'm in the mood to like freaking vlog for you guys. I don't know. But let me show you guys a quick little haul. I didn't get too many in this order, but I'm obsessed with the I'm obsessed with the Amplify collection, and so is everyone else because everything is always sold out. So I don't know if they're doing a restock, so I kind of panicked and I was like, okay, let me just buy everything because I don't know, like it's just all I wear. It's what I feel the most comfortable and confident in when I'm working out. It inspires me and motivates me to get to the gym and to want to post on, you know, Instagram or something. Like I feel like I literally live in workout clothes, so it is an investment for me and what I do. So I wear a size small, and I got the Amplify leggings in the color Golden Hour. And I didn't really love this color at first, but now since it's like spring and summer, I'm like, ooh, I want like some fun bright colors. So I decided to go ahead and snatch these, and I don't really wear a lot of yellow. But looking at it against my complexion, it's making me look very tan. So I think this will be a vibe. I'm gonna wear these today and work out in them. I need to find a top to wear. It's like one of those days where you just want to wear a sports bra because it's so hot outside. So I already did a whole review on, you know, Alphalete and the Amplify collection in particular. So if that's something that you want to, you know, learn about and what I really think about it, then go watch that video. I'll put it in the cards for you guys. I also wanted to try like their crop tops and stuff. I don't feel like a lot of people hype them up, so I didn't really know if it was going to be worth it. But I got the Identity Cozy Crop Top in black, a size small. I don't really know what size to get, if I should go up a size or stay true to my size. Oh yeah, this looks good. Ooh, it's very stretchy. Ooh, I cannot wear this today. It's way too hot. This is nice. This came in a couple of different colors. It's okay, Leroy. Oh wow, it has like text on it that's rubberized. I wonder how that's gonna do in the wash. But I like how it's like black on black and there's no strings here for the hoodie. But I do like working out in crop tops and then like even shorts, but like leggings, because I don't know, you just feel more snatched with something loose and tight on the bottom. So love that. Hopefully that'll fit. And then I got some tops because I feel like I don't have enough workout tops. So this is the ultra soft crop top in black. I got a size small. I've never really seen anyone try this on or review it, so I don't know what the quality is like. I'm like losing my voice. I've been freaking filming all day. Oh, this is cute. Okay, it feels like it's a brushed material. I didn't know if it was cotton or what, but it's very stretchy, very thin. I don't like restrictive tops like the Gymshark ones I have. They're too compressive and too tight that I feel like I'm stuck when I do upper body. So this will be super cute. Again, I can't wear this today because it's just too hot, but it has this cute detail that's crossed. I think it'll make the waist look really good. So I can't wait to wear that. Ooh, my battery's dying. And then the last thing I got was a amplified long sleeve in Thundercloud, which is one of the newer colors that I definitely missed out on that release. I definitely was asleep. I don't know what I was thinking. But this is like a blue. I thought it was going to be more of like a gray, but it's looking very slate. But I love the long sleeves and they don't do enough of them, so I thought this would go with a lot of different bottoms, like black, literally any color that I have, the purple ones. So really excited about this. I already know I love them. Again, can't wear this color today. It's too hot for long sleeves. So I'm gonna go change and then charge my battery and shoot my Instagram and I'll be back. But I wanted to show you guys a quick gym fit of the day. These are the leggings that I bought today. I really like this color. I thought it was gonna be way brighter, but it's a really pretty yellow. And for spring and summer, like, I'm so happy that I have this. I just needed something fun workout wise. My Gymshark sports bra, because it's so freaking hot. I don't really want to deal with wearing long sleeves or even a short sleeve. I was gonna wear one. It was just too much for your girl. So that's the gym fit. I'm gonna go put my shoes on, get my stuff together, and then I'm gonna head out to my dad's. Okay, so it decided to freaking storm and be really windy out of nowhere. It's taking out the recycling and all of a sudden, okay, so I'm not gonna head out right now. I just don't really want to be driving in all of this mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can chop up my video that I recorded today, and I'm gonna have my Olipop in the vintage cola. I need to go get more. These are so addicting. I really love this flavor, and at first when I taste tested it for you guys, I was like, ooh, I don't really know about this because it has such a strong stevia aftertaste. But now that I've had a few, like, I'm used to it, and I'm like, okay, I want to get it because fiber, and it's good for your digestion. So I don't know, this weather I would show you, but that's a little too private for me. I feel like a rainy day, leg day, just sounds really good, like cozy vibes in the gym. I got the flannel out today. Definitely doesn't match the fit, but it's kind of chilly in here, so I'm gonna see if I can get some work done and then I'll head out. My brother, he didn't even answer. I just tried calling him anyway. So I don't know, I gotta wait for him to call me back to figure out what's going on. But let me check the weather app. I think it's supposed to stop within the next hour. Severe thunderstorm warning. That's what the thing says. I think it's gonna rain a lot this week. That's crazy. Oh, speak of the devil. I decided today would be the day that I do a taste test slash how do I feel working out with the Hawaiian Shaved Ice energy drink from Alani Nu. I bought this, and honestly I'm not gonna buy them again. There's biotin in it, and I just don't personally like to supplement biotin. It irritates my skin personally when it comes to acne. I'm excited for all the different machines. Like I really want to do the hip abduction machine, and maybe I'll do the Smith machine. I definitely am going to do leg day today, so cheers to that. Let's hope that I don't break out. Thumbnail. It smells like alcohol. Oh, it doesn't taste like the Hawaiian shaved ice pre-workout at all.
It's supposed to be like an energy drink.
Yeah. Do you drink energy drinks, or do you like pre-workout better?
If I'm going to the gym, pre-workout.
Yeah. I don't like this. I hope it doesn't make my tummy feel weird. Yo, your car is so lit for vlogging with this. The lighting.
You know, I have this and I have that.
It has all the tripods. Okay, well, we're gonna go to Planet Fitness, and maybe if there's not a lot of people, I don't know if I can vlog there because there's no judgment zone, so I don't know if that means no filming, no recording, no pictures.
There's a lot of young people there, so they don't care. The people that work there. Bro,
Michael, we just literally parked, and he's already hopping out the whip. I'm like, bro, we need 20 minutes.
You don't need 20 minutes. You know what I could do in 20 minutes? I could be a third of the way finished with my run on the treadmill.
Craig. True. Oh my god, I'm almost done with this. I think my spirit, like my energy, I can already feel is getting lifted, but it kind of tastes a little carbonated. I don't think it is though, but it has my tummy feeling like, I don't know, bubbling. I'm gonna take a lap, see what's going on, and then figure out what I'm gonna do. I have a bottle to sanitize. We love to see it. Guys, don't judge how I look. We just finished our workouts, and it says 54 minutes, but I know I stretched during that time, and I had a little bit of gym anxiety just because it's a new place. And like I didn't really know the vibe. There was a lot of people, more so than what I'm used to.
The people keep telling souls.
Well, yeah. I mean, no one's really paying attention to you, but like, I don't know. Like I didn't really know what my flow was, and that pre-workout literally hit me in the car, and then as soon as I got in the gym, it went away. So the anxiety definitely took over for sure. So I ended up doing Stairmaster for 20 minutes. I got a good stretch, and then I just kind of tried out the hip abduction machines. And I did like a drop set, which was really good. Highly recommend drop set. Like start at your heaviest and then literally hit every single weight until you get to like 0 or the lowest weight that's there. So that was interesting. I think if I came back another time, I wouldn't have this like angsty like feeling that I had, and I don't know, like I wanted to hit the cable machine, but there was just a lot of people, all guys, like it was just a little bit too much. So catch me next time. But I mean, it's still better than no workout. So shout out to my brother for letting me come to his gym. It was a very nice, clean facility. Really like the locker rooms. Here you have to carry around this bottle of like sanitizer or like cleaning product. I don't really like that because then I felt like I was responsible for a child, whereas at my gym they just have it sitting at a station. But I get it, there's so many more people and you don't have to worry about other people touching your sanitizing bottle. So that was nice. That was my gym vlog. And I don't think I'll ever buy those energy drinks again, just FYI. So we're gonna go run some errands and then go back to the house. I think Dad's cooking. Wow, look at those freaking upper body gains. So they have a whole CBD section here. So let's see, we have bath products, we have gummies, me advocating for CBD oils. I just want to try some things. These are the drinks that I reviewed for you guys. I'm not a black cherry person. It sounds like a cough syrup or something. Tangerine's okay. I'm gonna get some watermelons and see if I like those. But they're $4 each, so that's interesting. I don't want anything for sleep. I want something just for chill. And then I also got this. Honestly, the packaging sold me on it. And it's the brand Siren, and it's a coconut chocolate chip cookie. It's an R&R bites, 5 milligrams per bite. They say 2 is a serve, so 10 milligrams. How many is in here? 5 or 10 little bites. And some of these CBD products are like multivitamins. Some of them had biotin, so I didn't really pick up any of those. You know how I feel about that in this video. But the ingredients on these look really like organic ingredients. First of all, dates, organic coconut flour, chocolate chips, cocoa powder, maple syrup, hemp extract, sea salt, vanilla. That's it, that's all. So very allergy friendly. And then the last few things I had picked out. Ooh. Got a lot of beverages. I got my Olippops. I already had one today, so sadly I can't have another one. This just tastes like a diet cola to me. Very good. And then I got 3 of the W+, which is the Weller brand that I had tried for you guys. I didn't get the tangerine. It was okay, but I feel like watermelon might be good as well. I would buy the tangerine again, but I just want to see what this one is about. And it's 0 calorie, focused and chilled is what it says it does, and it definitely does that. So, oh, and this one is 25 milligrams for the whole container. So that's what I got. And then I only could find, yet again, 1 Poppy beverage. So these are very popular everywhere that I go, and it's my favorite flavor. That's my CBD haul. I'm about to go home and have some steak. Actually, let me eat this protein cookie and try it for you guys. Sorry, we're in the car, so. Sanitize my hands. I need some chill in my life. I was a little anxious today. Oh my God, sorry for the angle. Oh, okay, so half of the cookie. There's 2 serves per one. Sorry, I'm like the worst at my job right now. This is what my oatmeal raisin cookie looks like. It looks very dry, but we will see. Honestly, I got this because it was a fun item and 13 grams of protein, so can't really be mad about that. It right away tastes like the those protein cookies from Whole Foods. I'm like sleeping on the brand right now, but I don't know. No, you can tell it's a protein cookie. It doesn't have a CBD like oily taste or anything. Alright, I'm gonna actually taste test these gummies for you. I'm only gonna have 1. I only had half of that cookie. It was like 360 calories. That's why I was like, nah, I can't be eating all that. For 13 grams of protein. So, sorry, there's still something in my eye. I can't open it. I need to go get my eye drops out my car. The packaging is really nice. They had a lot of really fun brands. If you have a good brand that you guys recommend I check out, drop it in the comments. I love gummies personally. It's more convenient. It's far more convenient for me to take a gummy than it is like an oil. I don't know. These are pretty big. So hopefully it's not a weird texture. There's 60 in here. Oh, it's good. This is bomb. The aftertaste is like the oil, but it's not bad. Oh my gosh, so Dad, literally perfect timing. We have all this steak right now. I'm heating up beans and rice from yesterday. Yes, sir. And we have some veggies, mushrooms, bell pepper, and onion, and this looks like some cauliflower. Hi,